Alright, what we got going on today is we got a Maddog. I'm guessing it's a 2021 5th gen. I'm working on putting a aftermarket LED headlight on it. I'm going to show y'all how to do that. Alright, this is the kit I got from a Cajun Maddog. It comes with this piece and this piece. So first I took out all the screws. There's, I think, 2, 4, 6, 8 screws on here. One there, there, and down there. And that comes off. And then the factory headlight is a 12mm on both sides. And then once you get this off, the cover off, the headlight plug is this one. You'll be able to follow it through the hole in there to the plug, and then just pull it out. The headlight's trash. I drove with it at night and it sucks. So this is the new one I got. It doesn't have, well, it does have holes, but they're covered up with this little sticker. So what I did is I took the factory bolts and used my drill and just tapped, basically tapped the hole with my bolt. It's not the best way to do it, but if you don't have the tap for it, then what are you gonna do? So anyways, had a phone call. So yeah, this is the headlight I got. If you can get a tap for it, tap it, that'd be good. I don't know what size it is, so I just, like I said, I use a bolt. Right, and then the harness I got with it, this, I'm going to probably, I depin this end, which was this plug right here. I'm probably going to use this, and then I'm going to shave this down a little bit because it's just a hair too big to put in that hole. So I'm going to shave that down. Alright, so I've already gotten started a little bit. So I got the headlight unplugged, and then the video I'm following says you need to disconnect the ignition switch, which this is it right here. It was hiding behind here, and take out the black plug, which I used a little small flathead and shoved it in there and got that pin out, or pushed that little pin up, this guy right here, and then just pull out, and then you gotta make sure you bend it back out because you're going to take your kit, your plug, it came with your kit, and then put it back in. Just like that. So most likely it's going to plug into here, just like that. And then I'm guessing that's probably going to go back into here. I'll come back. Okay, so you take the black wire that came with your kit, and then you put it back into there. So it clips into there, and then you're going to put it back, plug it back into your ignition. So I'll try to do this one-handed. Golly. Alright, I think we're good. Alright. And then let's see here. Oh, I can't. This boot used to go over it, and now it can't because of that wire. So anyways, and then I plugged this in. So now we have this connector on this end. And then next, you need to disconnect this one. I've already done it. So this side, your switch up here, and then this one. So you follow it down, and you find your green, dark green wire. You got a pink wire and a black wire. So you disconnect this, and then get a small, something real small. Probably I got a pick and did it, or you can pick or something like that. I did, and then pulled the green, dark green one out. All right. So after you get that green wire out, you cut the connector off. Cut that off. Splice or strip it back, and then just put in one of these four. And then you should have power straight to your headlight, which I got to. This is your headlight right here. Okay, I just went ahead and finished it out. So basically what I did is connect the connector off of the old headlight, and I'm using the connector off of it. So here's the connector. Accidentally blew the fuse, so I'm got it rigged right now, but so got it on. It's working. But alright, anyways. So what I did was for the halo, for mine, it's that red wire. So I ran a wire and then ran it through the loom, and then butted it up with the blue one on my headlight, at least, because that's the high beam, and would probably using the high beam a lot because just because. But I'd rather have it on the high beam, I guess, just for preference. But anyways, so I have the blue connected to the white on the switch side, and then the white connected to the blue, and then the black on the green for ground. And then this one we're not using. So that's how that works. I got it connected there. I didn't notice until I tried to put it on that it's way too big. So I'm probably going to try to reuse the factory bracket. I'm probably just going to get some spacers and then some longer bolts and do it like that. But as of right now, I can't. For right now, I can't do that. I'll get it later. Today or tomorrow or something. So yeah, I hope this helped out, and I'm gonna get a picture of, and probably a video after I get it all mounted up, and that'll be a part of this video too. Alright, so here's the headlight mounted. Let's see if I can get where it's, there we go. So you can see, change it. Bam. So, what I did was, actually I had spacers and a longer bolts already. Dadgummit. Actually, the longer bolt came off the cage that the bike came on. That was on. Let me go ahead and turn this off. So, as usual, oh shoot, I gotta take this off. Well, here we go. But I think I'm gonna change this. I forgot about the rubber. Forgot about the rubber spacers there. Anyway, all right. So here, I forgot about the rubber spacers. So I'm gonna probably put those in, probably on here, and then have this spacer right here on both sides. So I'll probably do that. But yeah, that's the final product. Here you go. Let's lift it off. There you go. Let's lift it off. So that's what it looks like. So looks pretty good. It looks really a lot better than the other one. So hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next one.